We are now going to move on to part 2 of the test, where you will have to speak about a single topic.
Okay.
Please read the card I put in front of you. You will have between 1 and 2 minutes to talk about the topic.
Okay.
Before speaking, you will have 1 minute to think about what you want to talk about. You can make some notes if you wish.
Yeah.
Your time starts now. Okay, you can start speaking now.
Yeah. So the topic says that I need to describe a positive change in my life. So I would talk about the positive change that happened was not very, not in a very, not in a very much of past. It is just very close. When I was in Korea, I was alone for a long time, living over there without my family, not having many friends, being in a foreign country for the first time. So I learned how to be like on my own, on myself. I start knowing the value of being alone, loving myself, like how I need to put myself first in the situations and not other people. It's me who matters for me, not others. There was a point I didn't have my family with me over there, none of the friends, like not very close friends when I had just shifted. So yeah, that kind of changed my life a lot. That was the first time I didn't have my family around. So there was no one for pampering, no one for cooking for me, no one was washing my clothes. So doing everything alone changed a lot, changed me a lot internally.
Okay. Do you want to make any changes in your life now?
Yeah, there are many things I still need to learn from the life. So the main thing presently I need to learn more is loving myself. Like how I can love everything about myself and be self-motivated rather than taking the motivation from others.
And how do you think this change will affect your future?
In future, even in my worsts, if I don't even have my family with me, because at one point even my parents would leave me, so at that time it would me on myself, like facing every difficulty in my life, and that won't make me dependent on anyone. So that's why.
Okay. Thank you. That is the end of part 2.